और दूसरी जानिब आपको दिखा रहे हैं वफाकी वज़ीर ख़जाना इस वक्त मौजूद हैं बीजिंग में और उनकी जानिब से खिताब किया जा रहा है.
By the esteemed speakers, this achievement is far more than the completion of a financial transaction. It marks the beginning of a new chapter in Pakistan's economic and financial engagement with China in the context of international capital markets. It reflects trust, partnership, innovation, financial collaboration, and our shared commitment to sustainable development and regional connectivity. As Ambassador Hashmi mentioned in his opening remarks, this moment carries even greater significance as Pakistan and China proudly celebrate 75 years of diplomatic relations, and also in the context of Prime Minister's upcoming visit. It's a relationship defined by mutual respect and trust, an unwavering commitment to each other's progress. Today's Panda bond issuance marks another important milestone in that journey. It shows the growing maturity of our economic cooperation and the confidence of Chinese institutions and investors in Pakistan's economic direction of travel. Islamic Republic of Pakistan is proud to be the first Panda bond issuer from South Asia, a distinction that underscores the strength of our bilateral relationship and the credibility of Pakistan's reform agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, as CICC and HBL just mentioned, the journey towards this inaugural issuance began several years ago. The initial vision of accessing the Chinese onshore capital market dates back to 2019. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, this initiative gained renewed momentum, and those of you who know him or who have worked with him, there is always a real sense of urgency. And then we got the strategic clarity in 2024. Over the past 2 years, we have worked very closely with our Chinese counterparts. I want to here acknowledge the Honorable Finance Minister and Dr. Pan from PBOC, whom I had the honor and privilege of meeting just a month back in Washington, D.C. on the sidelines of the IMF World Bank meetings. Of course, NAFMI as the regulator, our development partners, ADB, in the success of this landmark transaction. I would also like to acknowledge and give special thanks to HBL. They have been part of this journey since 2019 and have played a pivotal role in getting this through the finishing line. I would also like to express our sincere appreciation and gratitude to the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank and the Asian Development Bank for providing credit enhancement guarantees. Your partnership strengthened investor confidence and enabled Pakistan's successful entry into the Chinese onshore bond market.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.